Hey, 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 hey. One day, yeah, one day.
One number me?
You can take it, I guess. I don't know what you're saying. I'm sorry. Oh, I see. Oh, I got you. There's a train coming this way. Let's see how they close these. A 2019 UNICEF study shows that around 25 to 30,000 people live in railroad settlements. Hello, so today.
Hello.
Hello. So today. Cambodia has one of the lowest rates of gun violence in Southeast Asia, according to the UN Peace Index of 2023. Hello. Hello, how are you? Hello, it's just today. Can I try one? Let's see. All right, here we go. Oh no. I missed you. Okay. I'm good. Hello. How's today? Hello, how are you? Doing good? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Hello. How are you? Good, good. You live here? Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Hello, what's up, what's up? Sister, hey, 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 hey. Have a good one. You dance well. Hey, 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 hit it, hit it. Hello.
Studies show that children make up 40% of the informal settlements population.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Doing good, doing good. What's up? Just down the trucks.
Yeah.
From America. Awesome. I'll see ya.
Okay, you go.
Do I want to smoke something?
Yes.
Not. What do you have?
Yeah.
Not right now. I'm gonna go down and then I'll come back.
Yeah, no.
And then we'll see.
You smoke finish, you go.
I do. Yeah. When I come back though. I'll see.
You finish, you go. No problem. I
Gotcha.
take care of you.
It's alright. It's alright. When I come back, I'll talk to you.
Not sure.
I don't know yet. We'll see. I guess.
Hey, you have number?
No. Who do you want? What's up?
You have number?
Yeah, I have WhatsApp. If you do. Hey. You see?
You want number me?
You can take it, I guess.
I put number for me.
Gotcha, gotcha.
The Cambodian government has been cracking down on the drug trade in these communities since 2017.
Just today?
Hello, bro.
Hello, Sister Day.
Oh, đây không? Không, thế nào?
How are you?
Ê, tao bị bái không?
What you doing? You fine? You're good?
Nah.
I gotcha. Alright, have a good one. Hello. Hello. How are you? What's up, bro? We're good. See you. Just today. Hello. Hello. How are you? Just today. So, what's your name? Eh? Jamal. Your name? Yeah, your name. Your name?
My name Rom
I'm talking. See. What's up? Fun? See. I guess. Hello. Oh, I see. On the island. I guess. Hello, how are you? It's just a guy. Hey, hello, it's just a day. You see me? Moi moi? Moi moi? I see. I got you. Bye. Hello, sister Day. Hello. How are you? What's your name?
It's good.
You good? Alright. Let's see. Hey. What's your name? You see? Where we going? We're going this way? I see. You say? Bon dia. No. I guess it. Hello, how are you? Bon dia. I got you. What's up, bro? What's your name? I have to go. What's up? Found. Yeah. Bon dia. Yeah, bon dia. See. Hello. Hello, sister Day. Hello. Hello. Oh, good. I see. Ah, all the way down. Hello, so today. Hello, how are you? This today. What's up? What's up, bro? You said what now? What is this? Oh, nice. Oh, good. I see. I already ate though, but thank you. Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. Me? America, just chilling. Running around. I'll catch you later though. Oh, oh wow. Hello, how are you? Good, good. Hello, how are you? I don't have any, I'm sorry. But have a good day. I don't know what to say. It's not real. Ah, I see. Oh, I gotcha.